Got some empty notebooks lying around and no idea what to do with them? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm sharing 50 fun and creative ways to fill up those blank pages. So, grab your notebook and let's dive in. Mood tracker. Bucket list. Places to visit. Favorite K-pop groups. Sleep log. Daily reminder. Savings tracker. Series I've watched. Water tracker. Letter to your future self. Workout log. Gratitude journal. Dream log. Habit tracker. Study schedule. Things to buy. A doodle page. Books to read. Positivity notes. Meal planner. Sketches. Things that make me happy. Birthday tracker. Social media passwords. Playlist of favorite songs. Health tracker. Anime watch list. Morning/evening routine. About me. Favorite quotes. Goals for the year. Recipe ideas. Study log. 1 sentence a day. Period tracker. Wish list. Self-care bingo. Routine planner. Contacts page. Growth guide. Song lyrics. Calendar. Dream places to visit. Series to binge watch. Gratitude journal. Things I love. Don't forget to. Year in pixels. Exercise log. Things to stop doing. Favorite playlists. Recipe notes.